this is the February RoccaBox. This edit is called Perfect Night's Sleep. So let's see how they're going to give us a perfect night's sleep. Hi there guys, and welcome back, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have an unboxing for you, and it is, let me just cover my address up, it is this. So this is the February RoccaBox. I couldn't get my words out there. Let's open her up. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join the YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. But yeah, let's have a little sneaky peek. So in the box we have, oh, if I can pick it up, we have the edit card. So we'll look closely at that in a moment because we're going to be referring to that throughout the video. We have a little advert card there. We'll just pop that to the side. And here it is. So I'm just going to move everything to the top so we can have a little better of a sneaky peek. There is a little bit of a better sneak peek for you. And if you are interested in purchasing this box for yourself, it's £18.95 per month. It's £15 for the box and then £3.95 for the postage. I have a link. I'll pop it in the information box and the comment box. So if you click that link and buy a box, it gets your first box for 20% cheaper, which is always good. We've got to love a saving. You normally get around 5 to 7 products. Oh, can't get my words out in here, and they range from skincare, hair care, beauty tools, makeup, and so on. But yeah, let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. Right guys, so back to the edit card. So right here there is a big long note from the editor. I'm just going to read the small bit here because otherwise we're going to be here forever. But this edit is called Perfect Night's Sleep. Yes please, I would kill for the perfect night's sleep, who wouldn't? So this bottom bit here just says, we've put together a selection of expert approved, tried and tested products that either improve sleep quality, improve your skin's quality as you sleep, are designed purely for nighttime use, or will enhance your time spent horizontally. Yeah, that's probably me. This box is worth £71.50. Alone, that's enough to help you sleep at night. This is the perfect night's sleep in a box. Let's see if it is. The first product we have is this. So this is by the brand Murad, and it's AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. That definitely sounds interesting. This is a travel size and the RRP for this is £12. It just says this particular cleanser will totally transform dull skin. So you'll wake up to a brighter, smoother, more radiant, visible, luminous complexion. A trio of skin refining acids, salicylic, glycolic and lactic, unclogs pores, sheds dull skin buildup, enhances cell turnover and renews your skin, while jojoba beads gently buff and polish. While this can be used on a morning, its benefits are amplified when used overnight, and it is an effective way of getting rid of the last trace of the day's makeup, grime and SPF. Plus, when you've worked hard to clear your complexion, it's a shame then to cover it straight back up with makeup. Very true indeed. I will definitely save this just as a night cleanser. So yeah, the travel size product is 60ml, so it's quite a decent little part. I might actually pop this in my going away bag, possibly. But yeah, I love Murad. Really good brand. Is that open? It is sealed. I am going to leave that sealed, most definitely. But yeah, I am super excited to try that when the time comes. Second product we have is this. So this is by the brand Beauty Pro, and it is Retinol 1% Overnight Serum. The RRP for this is £15, and this is a full size product. So it just says this overnight plant-based formula is enriched with ocean retinol, seaweed, kelp complexion and organic pine oil to improve the condition of your skin. Leaves it looking noticeably rejuvenated, more even skin tone and smoother in just a few nights use, and visibly reduces the signs of aging. Less pigmentation, yes please, and less blemishes over time. with more regular use. Oh, fantastic. That actually sounds really great. I have pigmentation I would love to get rid of. So yeah, a little bit of magic would be great. And yeah, with blemishes as well, I constantly keep getting little blemishes around my mouth here, and it's so annoying, and I'll try anything. So we have received Beauty Pro products the last couple of months, and it's so nice to get different products by Beauty Pro. So yes, they are doing the rounds, but yes, it's different products that we're getting, which is fantastic. Let's get it out here. That's what that looks like. Should we? Yes, we should. I like the little pump applicator, it's nice. So there it is there. It's like a very thick, well, it's not thick, it's a gel, not too thick, because as you can see, it's running down there. And then yeah, then you can feel the serum as you massage it in. It has a very barely there smell, very subtle, very pleasant and fresh. Yeah, love a bit of retinol. Third item we have is this. So this is by the brand Feather and Down, and it is Sweet Dreams Pillow Spray. This is a full-size product, and it is worth £3.50, so that's really affordable. It just says 83% of testers fall asleep quicker than usual after using this pillow spray, including us. Spritz this dreamy mist over your pillow, duvet and bed linen, even your pyjamas, and let its calming infusion of lavender, chamomile essential oils get to work reducing your anxious mind, calming your nerves and creating a restful atmosphere while you drift off. Yeah, okay, I mean, lovely. So at least it's a full size. Normally we get the other one, I can't remember that, I should remember because we get it all the time, the other pillow spray. I have such a collection of those I need to use. I have had this one before, and it is lovely, absolutely lovely. But I don't know, just I'm sick of pillow sprays, to be honest. I never seem to be getting through them. But a lovely product. It does smell gorgeous, does not help me drift off easily, but it's nice to lie there and smell something pleasant, so that's nice. The fourth product we have is this, very nice packaging indeed. This is by the brand Paul Yankomine. I'm probably saying that wrong, so I do apologise. And this is body oil. That is a full-size product, and it's £32 for a body oil. Wow. It just says there's something so inherently calming about massaging a luxury body oil all over your body post bath and pre-hitting the hair. Slather this deliciously deluxe body oil that combines smoothing typical floral notes of ylang ylang, bergamot and mandarin essential oils with hydrating and collagen boosting rosehip oil and omega-7 fatty acid rich in macadamia nut oil, all over the skin, boost and treat that will nourish, hydrate and replenish your body as you sleep. The addition of bergamot oil, a natural cleanser that helps to unclog the pores and balance sebum levels, means that you don't need to worry about any blocked pores if you sweat in your sleep. A truly beauty sleep enhancer, Lila. Yeah, great. I'm sure, have we received this body oil in a previous box? Not in this box, in another beauty box. Was it last month or the month before? I seem to remember, I don't know, because my memory is awful. But yeah, I'm not going to open that because we have to go through the whole rigmarole of opening it up and stuff. But wow, £32, guys. I hope I feel luxurious when I use it. Right, guys, so the fifth and final product we have is this. So this is by the brand Skin and Tonic, and it's a slow down bath soak. This is a full size product, and it's worth £9. So again, very affordable. It's kind of small, but I think that would last a while. I don't know. But it just says soak away a stressful day with this restorative soak. Inspired by Japanese ritual of forest bathing, soak up the healing powers of the forest with an invigorating blend of cedarwood, eucalyptus and rosemary oils, while mineral-rich Epsom salts will detoxify you and boost your magnesium levels, key to relaxing muscles and inducing sleep. Natural CBD from upcycled whole hemp, no less. Oh, that sounds actually really good. Will rebalance your body and calm your mind. This perfect tonic will help you slow down, breathe and let go of a busy day. That sounds amazing. And normally I would be like, but I haven't got a bath. I have now, baby. I am so, so happy. So we put our house up for sale. And the day of viewings, we had a lot of viewings. We got multiple offers, and we've accepted an offer which was over the asking price, which is fantastic. So really, really happy about that. So we sold a house in one day. And we were looking for houses and stuff, and we found one. We put an offer in, it was accepted. Surveyors have been round. So far so good. It's just the whole legal thing we've got to go through. And it's got a bath. It has a bath, and I am gonna abuse that bath. Something chronic. So I get to keep these now and I get to use them. Yay. So yeah, really, really chuffed. In the space of 2 weeks, I've sold my house and bought another, barring the whole legal thing. Cool. But never mind, back to this, sorry. Yeah, very, very excited to use these. Ooh. My god, that smells so good. So you can see the salts there. That eucalyptus is really, really coming through. Wow, that is going to be, I mean, the smell, it smells very refreshing, but at the same time relaxing. That's weird, but enticingly good, I think. Yeah, we shall see when I test it out. Guys, so this is the February RoccaBox Perfect Night's Sleep. What do you think? Right guys, so personally I actually really like this box. It's really, really nice. We certainly have got a couple of luxe brands in there. I think when RoccaBox said, when they were upping the price and all of that, and it was going to be more luxe brands, there is a couple of luxe brands there, but I think they built it up to be more than what it is. But nevertheless, this box I do really, really like. I am loving, I've got something for my new bath. I'm loving a body oil. I love oils on my body, when you get out the shower and the bath. Yeah, awesome. A pillow spray, it's okay. We have the retinol, love retinol, and I love a good exfoliating cleanser, so can't wait to use that. To let you know, the sneak peek for next month, for March, is that. So it is a newly launched Jekka Black Liquid Concealer. £10 in next month's box is all you need to cover any blemish flawlessly. Okay. So it just says, don't forget to update your shade preference in your profile to make sure basically you get the right shade for your skin tone. So remember to do that, most definitely. That concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.